How to unsend email on Gmail. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. This really helps a lot in making further videos. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go on Gmail on your mobile. You can also do it on desktop. This is already always the same. So you have to go on compose option and fill in the credential, and then you will be able to write the email. Let's say I am writing the send random email, and then you have to hit the send button. And you hit the send button, then down here you will have an option of undo. You have to click on undo in order to unsend the video. That it will be over here for some time. The time depends how it is gone. It is like 10 to 15 seconds. You can undo the send to Gmail from over here. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.